Hey everyone, these are 3 things that we've shipped this week. The first was a redesigned homepage on the App Store. What this allows is you to get quick access to the generative editing feature through Nano Banana. One of the biggest bits of feedback that we've got after shipping the cameras is that many of you don't know where the generative editing is, so we've put it in the homepage with a bunch of these templates for you to easily access it. The second thing that we've shipped is a redesigned generative editing window. So once you're in the gallery or once you found your way to the generative editing window, you will see it now come out from the right-hand side. The templates have also been redesigned. And the third thing that we've shipped is the ability to give you access to the open prompt. This is essentially where you press this input window and you can describe, type, speak to the camera, very specific edits using natural language, and Nano Banana will then do those edits for you. We just want to flag that the open prompt has been gated with our AI ethics in mind. So there is a bunch of things that you won't be able to do that are against our AI ethics charter. Thank you guys for your patience. Please keep playing with it. We want to hear your feedback and stay tuned for more updates that we're going to be shipping for the rest of the month.